Hey guys, Ringler here. Okay, so uh, it is amazing how sensitive people are nowadays. So I posted an ad on Nextdoor, and I said that if you're super old, I will help you. Like I will pick you up and take you to the gym, and I'll help you work out if you're intimidated by the gym. It's amazing how many people were like so offended at well, perhaps you should call them like mature. It's like, oh my god, like, are you serious? Wow, like some people just have so much time on there. I can't imagine that. I can't imagine. Like, first of all, you have no control over whether you're old or not. That's just a number that. Anyway, it's crazy. So, uh, yeah, I just think it's crazy that like instead of, it seems like everybody is worried about policing other people's actions instead of actually going out into the community and like figuring out, all right, how can we help these people? Like how can we go? Like I always hear about people like policing other people on racism. It's like instead of putting your energy into that, why don't you go into the black community and figure out, okay, like maybe talk to a couple black people. Like I've talked to black people. I've said, hey, what could we do? What could we do to get both sides to like come together? And it's just so funny that like people, like some of these liberals are, it's all about like their whole ideology is, it's just, but it's like they're not actually doing anything to help people. That's the irony. It's like they're not actually, it's just all about their ideology. If anybody offends them, they get all pissed off. But it's like, shouldn't it be more about, like, shouldn't you just actually do something to help the situation? All right, guys, be sure to subscribe.